Okay, here we go. Let's start the story.
Airplane defeated the monster. Something pretty interesting. It wasn't dead.
Ooh. Now we got some sound effects. Ooh, that's good. Oh, good sound effects. The fighter jet is coming in, attacking. Ooh, wow. Ooh, the fighter jet landed or got smashed down? Ooh, the monster is destroying the fighter jet. Oh, but the fighter jet just barely got away and escaped. This is quite a battle. Okay, now what? Okay. It's getting its feathers back. Ooh, here comes the fighter jet again. Ooh, attacks the monster. Ooh, is that the monster's head?
Yeah.
Ooh, it's attacking its head. Oh, the monster. Oh, it cut the head off. It's like Hercules and the Hydra. Now what happens? Ooh.
This monster is a slime, so it doesn't need anything to survive.
Oh my gosh, this slime monster can survive without its head. And it's attacking the fighter
It just
jet.
find a different head.
Oh my gosh. Maybe it could grow a new head like it grows a new tail.
It grows everything now.
Oh my goodness, how do you kill something like that?
In slow motion.
Ooh, slow motion. That's good. Good effect. Ooh, boy, that fighter jet was really flying fast. Nearly impossible to attack a fighter jet moving that quickly. Ooh, wow. It scored a direct hit on the slime monster. Now what? Ooh. Oh! It landed. What happened? Did it get broken apart? What happened here? Ooh. Oh my goodness. The slime monster has slimed the fighter jet. Can it escape? It did escape. Barely. And now it's attacking. And attacking some more. What can the slime monster do? Ooh, fighter jet knocked off another piece of the slime monster. And now it's smashing him to pieces. Okay, that's gotta wrap it up. Wrap it up and ready now.